If you want to exit the rescue mode on Google Pixel 10a, if you went to the rescue mode and now you are stuck over here on waiting for rescue commands, for example, what you need to do is you need to simply be patient and wait to go to the recovery mode. Usually you have to leave your phone for like maybe 3 minutes, maybe up to 5 minutes. I'm not really entirely sure how long does it take to actually go to the recovery mode. But this is something that you have to do. Just simply leave your phone as it is, wait a couple of minutes, and after those couple of minutes you should see the recovery mode. And there we go. Now after a couple of minutes, as you can see, we have like an error message or something, and after the timeout we are in the recovery mode. So in here now, in order to exit this menu, we can use volume buttons in order to navigate, of course, and we need to make sure that reboot system now is selected. You can confirm by pressing the power button over here, and now you should be able to restart your phone and you should be back into the normal mode. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.